Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are still in Singapore, back in our hotel room, and we're going to unbox 1, 2, 3, 4 play-at-home kits. Let's go! Boom. Okay, so the items we're going to look at are the pasabays from our friends in the Philippines. The Avenger 60th is a pasabay from Kennard. The Notorious is a pasabay from Robert. And the Wheels of Vengeance play-at-home kit is for Paul from Cebu. Okay, so we're going to unbox it now to save space in our luggage. We will try to fold the paper box. Okay, but let's see. Okay, so the other three are the old sets, and this one is of course the newest Heroclix set, the Wheels of Vengeance play-at-home kit. Okay, we can take a look at it. We have Ghost Rider, Glow Rider. Then at the back we have here a brief description. Get ready for the ride of your afterlife in this bone-chilling play-at-home kit. Okay, so hard to read because it's in reverse. Anyway, Paul, this is for you. And inside the play-at-home kits, we see a map and terrains. Seems like fire smoke terrains with the breeze. And then we see the legacy card for Ghost Rider and the Blitzkrieg Manhattan outdoor map. Okay, we're not gonna open this. And then we see the figure itself. Okay, let me pop it out of the plastic. And there you go. Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, Ghost Rider. Oh, where's the character card? Is this the legacy? Ah, there. Okay, so we see the legacy and the character card. Okay, so hypersonic, 200 points Ghost Rider, 13 attack, 19 defense, 4 damage close combat, so that makes it 5. Yeah, pretty strong. Okay, so no wonder Paul got it. Okay. Kennard, of course, has the Avenger 60th, the Hulk, and the Captain America. So let's take a look at it. At this point in time, I don't have my cutter with me, so I'm just using, I think, my hand. Okay, you have the character card and the legacy card. Is the legacy card is, what is it? I forgot about it. Let me take a look. The legacy card, I know I opened this before, but forgot about the legacy card. The included legacy card is Captain America. Okay, so there's 3 actually. You have this Captain America, you have the steel fencing card, and Captain America figure. Okay, a bunch of terrain markers, a card, a map rather, and of course the man himself, Captain America, crouching, attacking. Okay, so for Kennard, we'll keep the box, but we'll throw the plastic as requested. And the other one, Hulk. Let's take a look what's inside. Okay, we have the Hulk here. I think this is Ross, Thunderbolt Ross, Legacy. Another terrain, a big elevated terrain. Wakanda outdoor map. and Hulk. Green Hulk. Okay, and the last one is for Bebet. I'm going to open it. This is DC Notorious. Okay. Okay. It contains the Legacy figure card for Poison Ivy and the Legacy card for Brimstone. The map is called Harley's Rooftop Outdoor. And let's take a look at the figure. Okay. I think this is the best sculpt in the set. Poison Ivy. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing tonight. If you want to pass by some more items, you can PM me directly. I'm here until Sunday. Until then, bye-bye!